Hi everyone, it's Mariz. In this video, I will walk you through how to create a combo chart in Tableau. So today we will create a chart that combines a line and a bar in one view. So let's start by connecting to our data file. So let's go to the data source tab and then select our source file. So for this example, I'm using the sample file sales profit data. You can also download it from the link in the description below and then click open. And now our data is loaded and ready to use. Now we can start creating our combo chart. So let's go to sheet 1. First, I will drag the sales into the rows shelf. Then I will also drag the profit into the rows shelf as well. Next, I will drag date into the columns shelf. So as you can see, by default, Tableau shows the data by year. So that's why we're seeing a single point for the whole year of 2025. But we want to view the trend month by month. So to fix that, let's click the drop-down arrow on the date fill, scroll down, and change the date level from year to month. Now we can see separate lines for sales and profit by month. So let's also adjust the layout by going to entire view, and now everything fits well on the screen. So right now we have two separate charts and we want them in one single chart. So to do that, go to show me on the right hand side and then choose combo chart. And that's it. Now our chart is complete. And that's how you create a combo line and bar chart in Tableau. A great way to show multiple metrics in a single view. Check out my other tutorials to learn more about Tableau. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or video requests, feel free to drop them in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.